97.
Southwest 987, right turn on taxiway Charlie Cross, runway 4, monitor tower 19-1 on the other side. It goes straight out, November's on the 8ers, have a good day, sir.
Charlie, we'll go ahead and cross 4 straight out and over to the tower, and we'll pick that up. Southwest 987, you do the same.
Ground is China 7663, ready for taxi.
7663, runway 1, taxi via Charlie, hold short of runway 4.
For runway 1, it's Charlie short of runway 4, China 7663.
Good morning, JetBlue 723, straight to push off gate 8, information November.
JetBlue 723, wash your ground off gate 8, push approved.
Pretty clear to push, gate 8, JetBlue 723.
That's 7663, cross runway 4 on taxiway Charlie and monitor tower. You guys have a great place, Ottawa. We'll see you back here soon.
You bet, Charlie cross 4 and then on the tower, China 7663.
Delta 839 is ready for taxi in November.
839, runway 1, taxi via Juliet, hold short of runway 4.
Juliet, hold short of runway 4 for Delta 839. And American 2498, follow Delta.
2498, thank you sir, follow Delta, runway 1 via Juliet, short of runway 4.
Juliet, short of 4, follow Delta, 2498.
839 cross runway 4, monitor tower other side. Verify you have information November for me.
Yeah, we got November, clear to cross runway 4, Delta 839.
Back at 2498 cross runway 4, monitor tower on the other side. You guys have a great day.
We'll cross 4 and go to tower, American 2498. See you next time.
Door 45 would like to push. Mike.
Okay, 647, good morning, sir. Washington ground, push your tail north onto Taxiway, Kilo.
North onto Kilo, Kansas. 647.
Ground JetBlue 723, complete push, ready to taxi.
Blue 723, thank you, sir. Runway 1, taxi forward to Charlie Cross, runway 4, monitor tower. Have a great day.
On Charlie, going to cross runway 4, listen to the tower, take care, JetBlue 723.
Washington ground, good morning to you, JetBlue 1190. Gate number 2 information, November. Requesting pushback, please.
Blue 1190, good morning, sir. Washington ground, we'll get you up Austin. Go ahead, and your push is your discretion on gate 2.
Thank you, sir. Good push, JetBlue 1190.
Morning ground, Wisconsin 4039, spot 8 with November.
4039, Washington ground, hello, sir. Alley approved, runway 1, taxi via November Juliet, hold short of runway 4.
Approved November Juliet, short of runway 4, going to runway 1, Wisconsin 4039.
Hi for your time for you to Charlotte here in a second here to Wisconsin.
Roger, Wisconsin 4039.
Wisconsin 4039, the wheels of Charlotte today is 1515.
I understand 15 past the hour, Wisconsin 4039.